JASMYCOIN is in the works of partnering with Apple. Apple is one of the most biggest and thriving companies in the world, and you probably own one of their products. With all the news and speculation surrounding this, we've seen the coin rise over 20% in the past couple days. We're going to be looking at the news and the charts to give us a good idea and prediction of where price might go next. But before we do that, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Now let's look at the news. Alright guys, we are looking at an article titled Apple Partnership Sparks 20% Surge in JASMYCOIN Price. Will it hit $1 by August? Alright, so this was just published yesterday. This is huge news. Like I said in the beginning, this is a humongous company that we all own, or at least know somebody who owns at least an iPhone. Alright, so we're just going to read a little bit about this before we actually get into the charts. I'm going to show you something a little bit more special on the charts today that will help you read them a lot better and get better entries in the market. All right. So it says the partnership between JASMY and Apple marks a pivotal moment for JASMYCOIN, driving its price to new heights. The My Number card, Japan's personal identification number system, will be incorporated into iPhones, effectively bringing JASMY technology onto the Apple platform. So they're going to be integrating the JASMY technology onto the Apple platform, giving you more reason to buy it because this company is already, very successful. This integration has not only caught the attention of traders, but has also catalyzed a remarkable price spike from JASMYCOIN. Breaking the bullish flag pattern on its daily chart, we're going to look at all that. JASMY's price has surpassed key resistance levels, signaling a robust upward trajectory. Following the news of the Apple partnership, JASMY's price surged from 0.026 cents to 0.031 cents. This 21% increase within a single day has positioned JASMY as a noteworthy player in the crypto market. All right, so they call this altcoin the Bitcoin of Japan. Just let that sit in for a second. Bitcoin is the biggest crypto that we know. So if they're comparing this to Bitcoin in any type of way, there must be something special about this, or they must see some kind of mind-blowing potential in this coin. It says, currently boasts a market cap of $1,542,906,357 and a 24-hour trading volume of $508,065,487. The trading volume has surged 270%. All right, so now that we know a bit about this, we know what's happening. Let's look at the charts so we can actually make a reasonable prediction. So as you can see, you see nothing but straight bulls in the market right here. This is perfect, though. We have a perfect setup for you to catch a big move. All right. So what are we looking at right here? We're looking at a humongous bull run, but we don't want to buy right now. People that buy right now lose a lot of money because you don't want to catch it after it's already took off. We want to catch it when it starts coming back down, getting ready to take off even higher. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. All right, so let's mark up our support and resistance, our supply and demand. We have that. We have that right there. This is just areas in the market that price loves to react off of that we've seen over and over and again. All right, we're going to mark this area up. I'm going to make it a little bit more specific for you guys. I'm not going to have my boxes this big. I'm going to make it a little more tight since we've been doing this for a while now. Should get the point. You can see when price gets up here, rejects down, come back up, rejects down, gets right here. Basically ping pongs into this area, but it didn't ping pong anymore. It's not ping ponging anymore. We broke out. We had the news. We broke out. You can see a slight little trend line from here all the way to there. But this is where price sits at as of now. We can go ahead and box that in. We are sitting at here, and we got some resistance right here. All right, so this is what the play is. This is what you're looking for when you want to catch the next move. We've seen where price loves to go when it gets above certain levels. For example, I'm going to give you some arrows so you're not lost. As we see right here, what I'm about to share with you is called the ICC concept by Psy. All right. So when the price goes above here, we know there is bulls in the market in this area ready to push this coin above the market. We know that for sure, 100% without a doubt. And that's only if we're in an uptrend. We're not going to be looking to buy above here if we're in a downtrend. Trade with the trend, buy with the trend. All right. So we know for a fact, if we get right here, bulls are going to be pushing it up. The same with right here. If we get to this area, bulls are going to push it up. So you're probably guessing, all right, so how do I actually execute the trade? How do I know when to get in? All right, sweet. Let me mark this up so you have a little bit better idea of what you're looking at. All right, so now it's a little more precise for you. We are waiting. You're going to wait because if you get in right now, I promise you price is going to pull back on you like it does every single time. We're going to wait for price to pull below here. Or if it keeps going up, you're going to wait for price to pull below here and then close above here. So this is what I'm saying. So say price comes all the way down here, breaks down below here again. It breaks down below here, right? Okay, so now we're waiting. We're waiting. We're going to wait for a candle to close above this line that I have drawn out. Whenever this candle closes above this line, we know that there are buyers, like I pointed out, in this area ready to push the market up. So as soon as it breaks below and it comes back up, we know where it's going. It showed us already in the past where it's going to go when it gets to this area. So when price gets to and breaks above this, we know we're going to ride it to right here with our stop loss. Or if you don't trade, you can just let it run. That is the ICC concept. You're waiting for a pullback in the market down below one of the supply and demand support and resistance areas in a trending market to catch the very next big move. All right. We can't do that right here because, as you can see, we are in a state of consolidation. It just doesn't work like that. All right. Here is just a very small example for you that I can just spot out where that might. You see we're in a trending market right here. Here's another one. We're in a trending market right here. Okay. I already have this marked out. So we're going to use this. So you can see right here when price came all the way up here, pulled back below this line of resistance, kind of hung out a little bit, and we could have took the trade right here. You still would have hit your take profit right here. But as soon as the candle comes back and closes again, you set your take profit, and we're going to target the recent high. As you can see, it hit right here. It hit the take profit right there. Sorry, I was leaning over. I wasn't paying attention. But as you can see, it's that simple. With a very trendy market that we have right now, we are waiting for this to pull back below, close above here, and then keep riding it. And that's basically what you're looking for. As far as prediction-wise, I think if we can keep making the higher highs, if we can keep making healthy market structure like we are right now, and this Apple thing goes through, you can see this coin reach $1 potentially, because this is a huge company. I'm going to reiterate this for the third time. This is a huge company that has a lot of pull in any market, not just crypto alone. So look for big movement in the markets. And if you enjoyed this video, like I said, don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.